Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the auto tip function in the Fonacab Belfast application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And within this section, look for the auto tip button and click on that. And this in this function, you can give, if you want to leave any tips for the drivers. And you can set 5%, 10% and 20%. So just click on the amount that you want to set. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.